Yeah, we gon' do this shit for life. Mackin' and hanging. Mackin' and hanging. Bullshit. Go hard on the hoe. Bitch, run me my dough. I need that.
I appreciate my whole team for putting up with me. I hope they appreciate me for putting up with them. It's been a beautiful journey. It was a hassle. It was a fight. And I was asking my boss to give me 3 days to myself. It took 6 months for him to give it to me. Then when he gave it to me, I started just recording songs. So he came back on the third day, he was listening. He like, L's got a mixtape. I wasn't even done with my mixtape. So how it happened was he heard music, said it was hot, and he took it to the next level. And that's how that process happened. All West Coast artists ain't the same. All West Coast artists ain't dumb. All West Coast artists ain't gangbangers. You know what I mean? And there's some people with real talent. From Cali to Houston, Southwest Airlines. Fam drove 28 hours to come and rock with me, baby.
Next time to Cali, this is personal, man. L's Turner coming at y'all niggas, man.
1,600 miles to tell you to fuck with this nigga right here, huh?
Yeah,
1,600.
And I smoke wherever I go. I smoke.
Like a water. GG, one kind nigga, check him out.
You don't know already, you know. Any boy this L Turner, them have to see me, S-Time. And hold on, I'm going to take off my glasses. I'm in a bomber cloud, floss piece. Big man thing, bad man attack what we do. Just know say if this way, I come for you. And I'm here, I come for you. And just know that. Straight, you see me?
You see me?
And guess what? I fuck your ex last night, nigga.
Sex with my ex, look out for that. Single coming soon, featuring Showtime. You know, I worked with New Raw, Special Fluid. I worked with VSOP, rest in peace, Folkswell, my guy. Salute Soldier, one of the dopest niggas out. The reason I act how I act. Nova Bliss, though. My dude, shout out to Nova, man. Nova, you one of the tightest dudes. D-Wise, my nigga D-Wise from the Wood, Evil World. Shouts out to the real ones. I'm wild out. Blood brothers from a different mother and different fathers, you heard me? I just really had people that I started with from day one, and I incorporated the people with the new establishment that I came into. You know what I mean? But, I'm just working, baby. I'm on, I'm that dude, I'm humble. I thank God I only get irrational when I know what I know. And that's the energy of God flowing through. So with that being said, if y'all take some harm or discomfort to the things I do or say, listen to this. Thank you, God. Rest in peace, Folkswell. How's your boy?
And no clown jewelry.
No clown jewelry. All real. No clown jewelry. All real. We don't do that fake cars. You know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm saying? The Turners, the Joneses, keep up with them. You know what I'm talking about? Rest in peace, St. Joe. Rest in peace, Folkswell. Rest in peace, PJ. Rest in peace, David Jones. Big David Jones. You know what I'm talking about? It's a whole list that go on that I just can't. I'll be resting. We out of here. I love y'all. Whoopsie folk. Hustle life. Click back.